someone fucking pulls it. 2 fucking in the morning. Yeah. There it goes. It's flashing. I knew we were due for a false alarm.
You get it all on tape? You still recording?
Yeah, I am. Maybe the next one. Can't believe this. I have a test today and the freaking fire alarm goes off. Unbelievable. No, I think it's a false alarm. Because did you see it try to restart again? It, like, was in between, was like doing its message and then it started again. Like halfway through, that means it's a false alarm. Could be a smoke detector. I don't think it was necessarily someone cooking. It could have been.
I know how far. At least it's not there. Like just coming out of it. Dude, turn that fucking shit off. Oh my god! You should have told me when you were gonna fall.
1:52. Close enough to 2 a.m. Why couldn't this happen at...
What the hell are you gonna do? You're a CSO.
Maybe they'll make the fire alarms less sensitive. I doubt it though. Hey, I told you I'd be recording one of these. One of these fire drills. Next time I'll take
I'm pissed. I wasn't sleeping, but I just like...
That shit scared the shit out of me.
My phone only broke.
2 a.m. I'd like to know who did it this time. People freaking disturbing you. What, were you trying to study? Yeah, I've got a test today. Sucks. Freaking sucks. But I knew we were gonna have another one. I knew it. It was only a matter of time. What?
Might not be a drill. Someone could have been clicking.
Like what did I say? I said false alarm. I didn't say drill. I think it was a false alarm because the alarm actually tried to restart again. Yeah. No, it's 70 degrees. What are you talking about?
They sound like fuck.
Imagine if it were like 40 something. already outside when it went off? This sucks! I may as well get my studying gun since I'm not going to be able to sleep because of this. I thought it was like 5 in the morning when it went off. No, I looked at my clock and it said 1:47. Close enough to 2 a.m. That's when most of them happen, is around 2 a.m. Someone freaking decides they're going to cook a meal. Please note I am not trying to record anybody in this video. I am trying to record the flashing of the fire alarms. Next time I'll have the clearer video camera. I'll get prepared. If that happens. And you know that because of the brunt of it, I know one will occur around finals. That's for damn sure. Just hopefully not at 2 a.m. in a time when I'm still up. God damn it. Man, this fucking sucks. Not on a Tuesday morning. I think this was real freaking cool. People who freaking decided they're gonna freaking cause a fire alarm at 2 a.m. Some people try to sleep, god damn it.